What do you think about when you shave?
Are you videotaping?
No.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
Do I think about when I shave?
Yes.
When I live?
Oh. Interesting.
I don't know why you're videotaping.
I can't videotape you shaving.
What's the point?
I'm videotaping you shave.
I have so much hair.
Not really.
Mhm.
Oh, and your goatee you do. Who showed you how to shave?
Nobody.
Have you ever cut yourself?
I never had anybody watch me shave either.
I have on webcam. Do you remember? Did you remember? You put like the laptop right here and you're like shaving. That chicken's looking pretty spiffy. Okay, I'll stop. Say bye to the camera.